Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you have a red X over your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection on Windows 10 down in your system tray. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time, and you want to type in Device Manager. Best match should come back with Device Manager right above Control Panel. You want to left click on that one time to open up the Device Manager here. Now you want to expand the Network Adapter section either by double clicking on Network Adapters or left clicking on the little arrow next to it. Now for the Network Adapter listed in here, you want to right click on it and left click on Enable Device. If it currently says Disabled Device, that means it's already enabled, so don't click Disable. You want to make sure we enable it here. So there's quite a possibility that you won't have to do anything, but if you do have a red X down there, there's a good chance your network adapter was disabled. And as you can see now that it is enabled, if we right click on this adapter again, it says disabled device. We don't want to do that. So at this point I would recommend restarting your computer, trying to open up whatever web page you were having problems with. Now if that did not resolve the issue, next thing I'd recommend trying would be to open up the Start menu again, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt right above desktop app. You want to right click on that and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to left click on Yes. Now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig, all one word. So ipconfig space /flush DNS, exactly how it appears on my screen. So ipconfig space /flush DNS. Then you want to hit enter on your keyboard. Should say successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Once you type that in, now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Then you want to hit enter. Should say you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. At this point I'd recommend closing out of the command prompt, restart your computer, and see if that has resolved your issue. So I do hope this problem has been resolved for you guys, and as always thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.